The particulate filter traps soot and cleans itself through high-temperature regeneration. On short trips, this regeneration does not occur. Soot builds up and the DPF can become clogged, leading to various problems. Black smoke emissions, loss of power, increased fuel consumption. The DPF warning light switches on, the car goes in restricted performance mode, the engine suffocates and stalls. Use the Bardahl Easy Clean machine to clean the diesel particulate filter. Cleaning procedure duration, 1 hour. Products to use: DPF cleaning kit. 1 kit equals 1 vehicle. Protect your hands and eyes during the procedure and avoid any contact with the skin. Eco-friendly. Soot particles are completely dissolved and burned, not released into the environment. Use the appropriate connector supplied with the machine. Read the fault codes with a diagnosis tool and make sure there are no other issues besides DPF saturation. Check the engine oil and coolant levels and make sure that the tank contains 1/4 of fuel. Identify the DPF pressure sensor and disconnect the hose. Connect the appropriate hose upstream of the DPF and attach it to the back of the machine. Connect the machine to the vehicle battery. Measure the particulate filter pressure. Once the pressure has been checked, connect the appropriate hose to the back of the machine under DPF cleaning. Using a funnel, pour the entire contents of solution number 1 into the dedicated tank at the back of the machine. Start the engine. To start the cleaning procedure, press the on-off button once for the DPF function. The screen displays Cleaning, Rinsing and DPF Pressure Check. Press on-off again to begin the cleaning cycle. At the end of the procedure, there'll be a sound signal. Increase engine speed and maintain 2,500 RPM for 3 to 4 minutes. When the cleaning procedure is finished, pour the entire contents of solution number 2 into the dedicated tank at the back of the machine. To start the flush operation, press the on-off button once for the DPF function. The screen displays Cleaning, Rinsing and DPF Pressure Check. Use this button to select the rinsing program. Press on-off once to start the procedure. At the end of the procedure, there'll be a sound signal. Once the flush procedure is done, disconnect the connection hose and let the engine idle for 3 to 4 minutes to dry the hoses. Make sure to reconnect the original circuit properly. Do not forget the final step. Pour the contents of bottle number 3 into the vehicle's fuel tank. This solution helps initiate the DPF regeneration process. Read the default codes with the diagnosis tool again. Cancel errors if any and reset the DPF. Run a 20-minute road test at an engine speed of 3,000 RPM to 4,000 RPM. If the automatic regeneration does not start, launch it via the diagnostic tool according to the manufacturer's instructions.